Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these beautiful bangles. This is the beginner friendly tutorial, so let's get started and make it with me. For this tutorial here I am using two color of yarn. This is the perfect combo. Some bangles like metal bangle and a scissor and also 4mm of crochet hook. So let's get started. Here first I am using off-white color of yarn, so just hold yarn like in finger and let's get started. Hold yarn like in fingers. Next we're gonna make slip knot. Insert your hook into the bangle like this and pull the yarn outside. Insert your hook and just pull the yarn. After pulling the yarn, chain one on top, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Next we're gonna make single crochet stitch. Insert your hook into the bangle and pull the yarn. Here we have two loops on hook. Yarn over, pull it into two loop. Repeat same pattern. Insert your hook into the bangle, pull the yarn over. Here we have two loops. Yarn over, pull it into two loop. This is the single crochet stitch. Just repeat same pattern. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into two loops. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into two loop. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into two loop. Just repeat same pattern, make single crochet and cover the overall bangle. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into two loop like this. Just repeat the same pattern of single crochet stitch until you cover the total of bangle. So don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Here my bangle is totally covered, you see clearly. Now insert your hook into the first chain, like insert your hook into the first of single crochet and pull the yarn twice. After pulling the yarn twice, chain one on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. This step is for making your work secure. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the end. Next we will gonna hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just take your back side of the stitches, insert your hook into the stitches like this and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Just hide the leftover yarn for making your work neat and clean. So make sure you will hide all the leftover yarn after completing your work. This is the first bangle, you see clearly. I already make the total of 4 bangles, you see clearly. Now one more is the bangle with flower. This is the flower bangle. Now here I am making one more for another side, like I repeat the same pattern on this one. So let's get started and make one more flower bangle. For flower bangle here I am using purple color of yarn, so just hold yarn again like in fingers. Insert your hook into the top of chain. After making single crochet we have chain on top. Insert your hook into the chain and just yarn over, pull it. Next we're gonna make 3 chain, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. After making 3 chain, we're gonna make double crochet yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain below, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 2 more, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 1 more double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, like this. This is the flower petal. Now skip next 2 chain from the base, insert your hook into the third chain and pull yarn twice, make slip stitch like this. After making slip stitch, 3 chain on top, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it for the next flower petal. Next we're gonna make again 3 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loops, like this. Repeat same pattern, make total of 3 double crochet after making 3 chain into the same chain below. Here my 3 double crochet stitches complete. Now skip next 2 chain, insert your hook into the third chain and pull yarn twice. After making slip stitch, again 3 chain on top and repeat same pattern. First I will hide my leftover yarn inside the stitches, you see clearly, and just repeat the same pattern of flower petal. After making slip stitch, 3 chain on top, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it and yarn over, pull it. After making 3 chain, 3 double crochet into the same chain below, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loops. Make 2 more double crochet into the same chain below, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 1 more double crochet, just like this, you see clearly. Make repeat same pattern, insert your hook into the third chain, skip first 2 chain, insert your hook into the third chain and pull yarn twice. Just repeat same pattern, 3 chain first, just we're gonna make 4 flower pattern, 3 chain first and then 3 double crochet into the same chain and complete this total of round. Here my flower petals complete. Now insert your hook into the first of double crochet stitch and make slip stitch, insert your hook, pull yarn twice. After making slip stitch, chain 1 on top, yarn over, pull it. After pulling the yarn, just cut it with your scissors, just cut it, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work. After securing your work, next we will hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just insert your hook into the stitches and pull the leftover yarn just inside the stitches, like this. You see clearly how look it is. This step is for making your work neat and clean, so make sure you will hide all the leftover yarn inside the stitches when your work complete. This is the final look. You see clearly how look it is. So just burn your leftover yarn for making your work neat and clean. This is the perfect step for crochet. You see clearly. This is the complete and the final look of flower bangle. You see clearly. I make total of 2 flower bangle and 3 of simple bangles. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. So stay with me for the next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.